सम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु
one of the visionary leader of India as well as of the world, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru contributed a lot to the field of science and education and to make a change in the mindset of the people of the India. No doubt, nowadays, the two figures, one is here, you know that Mahatma Gandhi and another one is here, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. These two figures are the controversial in nature nowadays. But the thing is that the time before the independence, how they planned and how they execute for the vision of India, what we are enjoying today, like the fundamental rights, Planning Commission of India, and the scientific temper that we have nurtured in the mindset of the kids. These are the main contributions of visionary leader Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. No doubt we say that in some cases you might have seen that there is a comparison that the two leaders, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Some people enlighten you in just like a way that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is working for the division of India. In their thoughts, where Sardar Vallabhbhai united the people of India. But it is not correct. If you look to the Indian National Congress session 1931, Karachi session, then you might have known that these two leaders, they work for the fundamental rights as well as to unite all the parts of the all the parts of are the time separated parts of the India. After that, another leader, you know that Subhash Chandra Bose was the president of Indian National Congress during 1938 sessions of Haripura sessions, Gujarat. Under his presidency, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, they have planned the Planning Commission of India. Still now we are enjoying their contribution under the Planning Commission. Apart from this, as we are the students and we are coming from the teaching communities, we almost know the scientific temper and the major changes led by the leader in the field of education. AIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science, Indian Institute of Management, Indian Institute of Technology, NIT, TIFR, these are the major contribution under the vision of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Apart from this, he has also contribute to the Indian Institute of Science. So such a visionary leader who has given such a large amount of things to us like fundamental rights, Planning Commission of India, to develop the scientific temper among the students through IIM, IIT, NITs. So we cannot forget his contributions. So we all must remember his contribution to the field of education and to the field of development of nations on his birth anniversary. Thank you all. Thank you.
Respected principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear students. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. As you know, every year we celebrate Children's Day to honor our past Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he deeply loved children. And he believed that children are the foundation of a strong nation. And my dear students, today is all about you, your dream, your energy, and your bright future. And first of all, always remember that life is like a journey. Sometimes you will succeed easily or sometimes you will fall. এটা ସବୁବେଳେ ମନେ ରଖିଥିବ ଯେ କେବେ ତମେ ଇଜିଲି ବି ୱିନ୍ କରିପାରିବ, କେବେ ତମେ fall ହେବ. But always remember that the fall is the chance to make you strong or more stronger. The fall is the chance to rise higher. आहुरी तम ऊपर को उठी पारिबो सेतिर.
सम्माननीय प्रधानाचार्य, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, सुप्रभात सभी को। आज हम यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं बहुत ही खास अवसर पर। जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, आज बाल दिवस है। आज का दिन यह केवल एक समारोह नहीं बल्कि हमारे लिए एक संदेश भी है। हमारे आने वाले पीढ़ी यानी आप बच्चे ही इस राष्ट्र का भविष्य है। इस दिन को हम इस वजह से मनाते हैं क्योंकि हमारा देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्मदिन है, जिन्हें बच्चों से अत्यधिक स्नेह था। मेरे प्रिय बच्चों, आप सब जानते हैं बचपन सिर्फ एक उम्र नहीं है बल्कि समय अवसर है सीखने का, खेलने का, कल्पना करने का और स्वप्न देखने का। नेहरू जी ने ये भी कहा था कि बच्चे देश का भविष्य है, अर्थात आप ही वह शक्ति है जो देश में नई दिशा ला सकते हैं। इसलिए आज मैं आपसे 3-4 बातें कहना चाहती हूँ जिनको यदि आप अपनाएं तो आप सिर्फ खुद की नहीं बल्कि हमारा देश भी आगे बढ़ सकता है। जैसे कि मेहनत और लगन। किसी भी लक्ष्य को हासिल करने के लिए मेहनत आवश्यक है। किताबें खुली खुली नहीं बैठती, हमें प्रयास करना होता है। ईमानदारी और संस्कार। आप समाज के अच्छे नागरिक बने जो सही काम करे, दूसरों को सम्मान करे और माता पिता शिक्षक का आदर करे। स्वप्न देखने की हिम्मत, अपने लिए सपने देखो, उन पर काम करें, हार आसानियों से घबराए नहीं। नेहरू जी ने भी मुश्किल से समय देखा है पर आगे बढ़े हैं। वो खुश रहे और जिम्मेदार बने, बचपन का आनंद ले, हंसे खेले, लेकिन यह भी याद रखें कि साथ साथ आपके कर्तव्य और जिम्मेदारी भी है, खुद की, अपने परिवार की और समाज की।
Good morning everyone. Happy Children's Day to all. Respected Principal Sir, my dear colleagues and my dear lovely students. Today we are here to celebrate Children's Day, a day dedicated to the happiness, dream, love and every right of our children. It is celebrated every year on 14 November on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was fondly called Chacha Nehru because of his deep love for children. Chacha Nehru believed that our children are future of our nation and children must be nurtured with care, love and education. This day reminds us every child deserves chance to learn, grow, dream freely. On this special day, let promise to be kind, responsibility, dream freely, make our teachers and parents to be proud.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। शिशु दिवस हार्दिक शुभकामना समस्त को। रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल सर, माय डियर टीचर, टुडे वी सेलिब्रेट Children Day on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved the children deeply. Children are, they believe that children are the future of our nation. My dear student, this day is all about your day. Your joy, your happiness, your dreams. You bring life and happiness to our school every single day. As a teacher, we feel too proud with knowledge and kindness. Always remember that you are a special one. You can achieve anything with hard work and honesty. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Dharani Nayak. I am reading class 7. Today I have dressed as a doctor.
मेरा नाम है गायत्री नायक। मैं 7वीं कक्षा की छात्री हूँ। मैं आज लक्ष्मीबाई की रूप धारण करती हूँ। मैं ये शपथ लेती हूँ कि मेरी आखिरी बुध रक्त तक, मेरी आखिरी सांस तक मैं झांसी की रक्षा करूंगी। जय महाकाल।
शुभ सकाळ समस्तଙ୍କୁ। ମୋ ନାଁ ଜୟା ନାୟକ। ମୁଁ 7ମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀର ଛାତ୍ରୀ ଅଟେ। ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଭାରତ ମାତାଙ୍କ ରୂପ ନେଇଥିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ନିଜକୁ ଧନ୍ୟ ମନେ କରୁଅଛି। ଭାରତ ମାତା की जय।
Good morning to all. My name is Sarina Mahanandya. I read in class 8. मैं गंगूबाई कटवा कि जब तक मेरे प्राणों में सांस है तब तक मैं झांसी और भारत को रक्षा करूंगी।
कि चाह पीब फुकी फुकी पान खाए, कि चाह पीब फुकी फुकी पान खाइब कले, कि चाह पीब फुकी फुकी पान खाइब कले। आज्ञा जेते सबु नाच गीत अच्छी आमर संबलपुरी तले। मैं 6th क्लास में पढ़ रही हूँ।
राधा कृष्णा की बहुत प्यारी हूँ और सबसे भी गॉड ब्लेस यू टू ऑल। थैंक यू।
Today I am playing.
Mangool is a footballer and I am Cristiano Ronaldo. I am proud.
Most the famous cricketer in the world.
Maka center zone.
My name is Manas Nayak. I am teacher. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Khushi Devapati. I am reading class 7. Today I dress as a doctor.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shweta Patnaik. I read in class 8. Today I dress as a doctor. My duty is to keep my patients strong and healthy. Being a doctor is so hard, but seeing a patient smile is the best reward. So friends, stay healthy. As a collector, my job is to share that
तेरी अख कतल करे लख कतल जदों मूव करे करे लख कतल असला भी हुड़ के टल जा शादी अखा नाल कर नी तू बस मिलो तेरी जदों मूव करे करे
Marriage